friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. Today we are going to learn online course UI design. Let's begin. This is the UI for dashboard. We will see all the design of the online course. Uh, this is dashboard. When we click on popular course, it will open the lecturer list. And after that, when we click on cart, it will show the cart detail. Here are design. So this is main control is grid. This is grid with background green color, and this is label. These two are label. These are collection view. In the collection view, I have set item source value, and this is also collection view, and this is also collection view. In lecture list form, this is list view, and this is frame having white background and images and labels, and this is button. When you click on this, it will have animation. You can see here. Please see it carefully. When you click on it, it will go decrease and increase the image size. So I have used scales transition here. For scales transition, I have created special video. In previous video, I have explained the scales transition. You can go through it. And when we click on cart, the cart page will open. It will have remove label and save as later label. And this is checkout button. It will show discount and total. Let's start with the code. This is grid having 7 row. Under grid, this is grid having background color and 2 label in first and second row, and in first row, okay, these are 2 row, and this image is in row span. It has used 2 row, so I have used row span is equal to 2 and column is equal to 1, and set the resource. And I have set I have used gesture recognition, so it will give click effect. So on the click, it will scale the image. I will explain it later. And after that, description. After, in second row of main grid, 2 label are added for popular course and see all. I have not created view for see all, but you can show list view for popular cases having same output. When you click on see all, you can create a new page and show the list view same as it's shown in collection view. If you want to create that page, please write me in comment section. I will create that page for you. After that, in third row, added collection view having a course view template, and I have set orientation horizontal. If you set orientation as horizontal, it will move. It will scroll the data in horizontal way. So we will look at course view after later. Then stack layout for category, and after that collection view for category. this is category, and after that same stack layout and collection view. So let's see template. First we will look for course view. Okay. Main control is stack layout and frame. Frame having grid, it will have image and label. So it is an image on first row and I want to show label on image, so I use image on first row. As you can see, the image and label have same row, and label for name and lecture name. After that, two label for tag and price. This label is in stack layout, which is in vertical way, so it will show after one in vertical way. So this is label, and after that another stock layout orientation is horizontal, so it will show data in horizontal way. This course view is bind with class. So the class having name, rating, lecturer name, price, tag and profile picture. I have set data for each property and return list. The another template is category view. I have used category view in both topic and category. So this is category. So it will have background stack layout. In the stack layout frame having grid and grid having label and two label. So they are in same row in different column. It is same row. It is in same row and it is first row, so you don't have to define grid dot row is equal to 0. So you can use only grid dot column is equal to 0 and 1. So you can assign okay. Let's look for category class having name, icon. This icon is font awesome. So I have used string font awesome. In font awesome, I have added created class. I will share this class I will share this class, this code in the source, in the comment, in the description box, so you can copy from this. So you have to create class for font awesome, then add file of font awesome in assets folder for Android project. These are the files. And for iOS, you have to add files in okay, you have to add files in resources. I have not added it, but you have to add file in resources. After that, in app XML, you have to write this code on platform. Give the name for that font awesome and write here for Android, and for uh, file name of what you have added in Android, and file name of what file name which you add in the iOS project. So after, in how we can use, you can use by adding label. In label we have font family, and use static resource font awesome solid. This is the name that I have given here in app Xamarin. So if you have any question related to font awesome, you can ask me in the comment section, but I already created this video for font awesome in previous video, so you can look for it. I will share that link in description box. Okay, then assign value to the collection view. After that, when you click on the course collection view, it will go to the lecturer list, and when we click on the cart will show the animation of click effect. So for this you have to write code, store value in scale variable, and scale to 0.5 and 50 speed. After that, scale to original position, and it will go to my cart page. So let's see for lecturer list page. This is list view. List view have lecturer view template. So set background in this color, because if you not set, then it will be white, so this frame will not be highlighted. So add background as this color, or add any color that you are comfortable with. This is the frame having this image. This is column 1, this is column 2, this is scroll span is equal to 2, because we have 3 column here. So these 3 row having 2 scroll span. This is column 0, column 1, column 2 for row 4, because 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is row number 3rd, this is row number 4, and after that this is row span, and this is progress bar. See, I have added call span for three labels, and row span for button. Let's see the class. So this is the class having property name, profile pic, rating, topic, number of lesson, performance, progress, and rate. And I have assigned value to the class and create list, and it will return list. So assign this list to the list view. After that we will see my cart page. So this is my cart page. First, these are 2 labels. This is list view, this is frame, and it will have grid view having 2 row and 2 three row and two column. So, so this is the two label list view, and after in frame add a label for discount, value of discount, total, value of total, and at the last label having corner radius is equal to 20. So we will look for cart view template. This is frame and this is also frame, which in frame this is I have added image. So this is frame, under that grid, and it is frame, under the frame add image. Image having margin is equal to -20, so it will remove padding of frame. By default frame having padding 20, so I have to remove, so it will look good UI. After that add the file label for name, name, topic, rate, and two label for remove and save as letter. Remove have text color is equal to red, and save as letter for accent color. Hope you like this video and understand this code. If you have any question, please ask me in the comment section. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share to your friends. Thank you. And I have to tell you that I am going to create more pages for these online courses. So I will publish it soon. Okay, thank you.